As it stands now, the 2017 Surface Pro starts at $799, £799, $1,199, for an Intel Core M3 processor, 4GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage space. At least in the US, for a limited time only, you can also get a Surface Pro configured with the same amount of storage and RAM, but with an Intel Core i5 CPU, for the exact same price from the Microsoft Store. For the sake of comparison, a Surface Pro 4 with a 2-year-old Intel Core i5 paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage is only $20 less on Amazon, at $779 in the US. While it did charm us back in 2015 for its ability to convert from tablet to laptop on the fly, made better by the fact that it was designed for use with Windows 10 rather than the controversial Windows 8, it goes without saying that the Microsoft Surface Pro 4 has since been replaced. Nonetheless, it's a slate that we've honored with a 4.5-star rating, accompanied by a recommended seal of approval gracefully handed to the Surface Pro 4. Lauded for its bigger screen and sharper resolution, not to mention a refined keyboard and stylus, the Surface Pro 4 was Microsoft's best crack at its winning tablet formula yet. The Surface Pro 4 managed to introduce more levels of pressure sensitivity and a host of buttons to the signature, but sold separately, Surface Pen. Likewise, the type cover keyboard is heavier and more satisfying to the touch, while the screen resolution was bumped all the way to 2736 x 1824, making it 216 pixels per inch, ppi, as opposed to the 128 ppi display of the 13-inch MacBook Air.